Hello. Here we have a one-bedroom apartment in Middle Village, completely renovated. You see how the lights are this way, and then you can also have them in other ways. You see this? You're changing over from white to these rimmed lights. Very cool. You got a closet here. Okay. Brand new stainless steel fridge. You got a dishwasher, a microwave. I mean, this place is really, really nice. Really, really nice. All right. Now let's do some measurements. The bedroom is 9.5 by 12.8. Now let's go into the living room real quick. And the living room is, you have split units. These are heating and cooling. Okay. So the living room is 9.5 by 12.4. We also have a wine cooler. Look at that. Isn't that something? And then washer dryer, guys. Washer dryer combo unit. Brand new bathroom. Look at this. You have this mirror that turns on and off. Isn't that something? Really, really nice apartment. This is a towel rack. And yeah, you have a closet in the bedroom. You got another, it's like a spice rack kind of pantry thing. Very cool place. So come and